morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And good night. I'm trying to use my head to hide this light behind me. You guys, it is Christmas Day. This light is annoying me. That's better. It's Christmas Day. Say Merry Christmas, Sarah.
Merry Christmas.
Tyler, come tell face Merry Christmas.
But I didn't finish again.
Merry Christmas, mother.
Merry Christmas, honey. Come, Ty.
Merry Christmas.
Just come tell him Merry Christmas. You'll go back.
Mwah.
Merry
I wish you
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
You guys, Santa Claus came?
Yes.
Ah, there's lots of gift under the tree.
Yes.
Ah, are you excited?
Yes.
Ah. Anyway, you guys.
And I saw a light blue gift and I think it's something.
It's something. Alright, go finish what you're doing and then we go open
I
gifts.
think it's something.
Finish what you're doing and we open gifts. You guys, I am in the kitchen. I am in the kitchen. I'm in my Christmas mode. Y'all, I am making breakfast. I'm making ackee and sawfish for breakfast this morning and fried plantains and chocolate to drink. That's what we're gonna drink. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do for breakfast, and then I'm gonna jump straight into dinner. My peas is already on the stove to cook. My ham about to go in the oven, and then the mutton is gonna go on, and yeah. I have so much to do, and I'm so excited to just go through the motions and do it all. I also have one person coming for dinner. One of my neighbor, which is the only neighbor I know around here. She speaks English. She'll be alone for Christmas, and it sucks really to be alone on Christmas. So I tell her, don't worry, you can come over for dinner, lunch, whatever it is that whatever you guys wanna call, whatever time we're gonna eat. So I'm cooking, and then she's gonna come over later to eat with us and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I'm up to right now. Mrs. Claus is in the kitchen and getting it on, honey. So let's do this.
Let's do celebration.
Begin. Cue music. Alexa, play Christmas music by Mariah Carey.
Shuffling Christmas songs by Mariah Carey on Amazon Music.
She shouldn't say
She should
what.
answer you. Man, I'm tired of always the same thing.
Breakfast is ready, you guys. Ackee and saltfish, fried dumpling, plantain. Real Jamaican breakfast. There goes my tea. And Sarah is ready.
Hmm?
Is blue for Santa bring it for you?
Yes.
This that for Tyler?
Yes.
I'm not sure it's for Tyler. You sure it's for Tyler?
Yes!
Yes.
So what can it be?
Yes, what do you think it is?
I'm a picture that.
You think it's a trap?
Oh non, regarde, mais oh oui, j'ai tenté le crabe. J'ai tenté le crabe. Viens.
You like
That's
it?
what you wanted.
Yes.
He's been dying for this tram. Every day ask about it. Okay, open. You know that all the blue one is his.
Oh, what a boss. I asked for a boss.
You asked for a bus?
No, I didn't.
Well, it's a surprise.
But that's okay. That's okay.
You always wanted a bus.
Oh yes, I remember what to do.
You like it?
Yes.
Look at me.
Good boss.
This one is from Mommy Valerie in USA. My mommy.
Oh.
My mama.
So Grandma Valerie.
Open, dig in.
What is
No, but you should open one, Sarah should open one. You should open one, Sarah. Why Sarah not opening no gift?
Oh, now it's Lego Star Wars.
No.
Oh, oh.
C'est la voiture avec un remote.
Wow!
Je croyais que c'était le Lego Star Wars.
Maybe Lego Star Wars is another time.
Come, open up.
Hold on.
Wait,
hold on.
stop. Let
Time's
Sarah
up for
open
you.
one.
What is that? It's written pour Sarah. Sarah, c'est pour toi.
Let Tyler help her. Tyler help her open it.
Oh,
Take time. I don't know.
Sarah. C'est pour toi.
This for you, Mama. Right. Yay!
Alright, this one is for
Tyler.
Tyler.
yes!
Who is it from?
Puppy.
How you know?
Yes, because the puppy came here and they saw it on top of it. Boy, I think it's. Oh, yes, that's the one is for Christmas. Yes, that. Yes. What thank you for the Lego big police station. Thank you for that. Just like you. Thank you.
You like it?
Yes.
You better stick on the list.
Okay, Sarah time. Sarah.
Sarah, that one.
No, let the kids open theirs before.
Okay.
Sarah! Wait. Come, Sarah. Repeat, Mama. Repeat.
Me too.
Wait, let her repeat. Yeah, you're gonna help her. Yes, Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Repeat, Mama. Repeat. Repeat, Sarah. Oh, Sarah.
Wow!
And that too.
It's so pretty!
And that too. Look
Oh.
at
Look, Sarah, you got a play mat.
Yes, but it's a puzzle to be.
It's
Right.
a jelly one.
It's a Hello Kitty play mat.
Right. Hold on, Tyler.
Wait, Tyler, your turn
This is
again.
the one for Tyler. This one.
Ooh.
I think this one wasn't on the list. But this one is a special gift from Santa Claus.
Ooh, maybe something.
What is it? You like it, Sarah?
Huh?
What is it?
It's the gift that you wanted.
That you wanted.
That me wanted.
Oh,
You wanted wanted that game?
I mean, no.
Wow,
It's
that's
a game
cool.
for you.
So you're gonna play that with Papa and Mama?
Yes.
Right, that's cool.
So that one.
That one for Tyler? What is that one?
I really go
But-
something.
But it's the last one for Tyler?
No, no.
No, there's no more.
We're gonna have to wait on
Wait some more days and you'll get more surprises.
Ha! Lego Ninjago!
That's what you wanted?
Yeah, Lego Ninjago. Thank you. But we didn't finish our deck. One more gift for Sarah.
give Papa a bisou and give Mama a bisou. Sarah, this one is for you.
Yes, open it together. Oh, what is it? What? Yes, 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 yes.
Wow!
It's a specialty.
This is for
Yeah.
Sarah.
Sarah, it's a music play mat since you love to kick so much. This will be perfect for you. We can kick and it makes sound, Mama. You go woof, woof, meow, woof, woof, meow. Look, it's yours. Yes, yes, yes.
Papa gives now.
Careful.
Papa gives now.
Papa
Don't give
turn.
Papa. It's your gift, Papa.
What the hell is a big old stone?
It's your gift.
No, it's time for Papa give.
Time for your gift. Time for your gift. Ah.
Have something to play outside now.
Baby,
Oh,
he's
so
dying
you
for
and we
this.
will play.
He's been wanting this
You
card
and
game
me
since
Yeah, we're gonna
forever.
play together and with Mama too.
Yeah.
You like it?
Oh,
Papa
yeah.
choose a good one.
Oh, that's one for Papa.
Well, they have smaller size. They have only with 3 balls in it.
That one.
Yeah, family.
It's for
No, go ahead, open all the gifts. That's
Oh.
okay.
You don't want Mama to open that gift?
No, I'll open mine after you.
Let's Mama open your gift.
Okay. Papa said Mama is to open one of her gifts.
What
Let's
is
Okay,
that?
Tyler gonna help me. Heavy?
Oh,
Okay, put it here.
Oh,
The Catalan. Ah, it's what I wanted! I bet. One is from the store. Oh God, how much bag it's in? I can feel it. It's what I wanted. What color is it? Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh. Oh. It's so cute. But it's heavy. You guys, I vow that I must learn how to skate. I'm obsessed with roller skate and I can't do it, and I've been asking babe for this and I finally get it. Can the shoes come off? No? Or it's made for?
No, I think it's made for.
Okay.
So you
Thanks,
can-
babe. I like the stylish wheels of different colors.
So you can do that while I play this.
Ah!
So, of course,
That's funny.
that's come with this one.
Oh, these are the gadgets.
This is for
All the protection.
safety.
Yes. Yes, baby.
As you can't go out without
You
safety.
see, I have an idea it was coming because it's what I wish for. So, always make sure you tell your spouse what you want so they don't get you something that you don't want. And then be sad, girl. I like the bag too. Yes. Ah, this is a knee patch. You don't come with any gloves?
What?
Shoulder patch.
No. Don't
No gloves.
No gloves.
And this is which patch?
You have
Oh,
the knee and the elbow.
the elbow. So it's a knee, elbow, and wear.
And that's it, you have 2 knee, 2 elbow.
Yeah, but what is this? This must be the gloves then. Because if this is the knee patch, this is the elbow. Yeah, that's the gloves. Take it off.
See your blood?
I don't know which patch is this. We're gonna have to figure it out, but
Oh, the whistle.
oh, the wrist. The wrist. Okay, so you have wristband, wrist protection, elbow protection, and knee protection. I'm excited! Oh my god, I'm gonna have to learn how to do this. I'm so excited, you guys have no idea. Oh my god, and the black is perfect.
Mama, can I?
Okay, that's yours.
You know you don't have much choice.
Look at
For
what
this,
they can do. I
the
think
water- The water blade, you have a lot of choice. But this,
Oh, the 4-wheel, they do have a lot of
you don't
choice.
have much choice.
Ah. Okay.
The only thing I didn't
For
get
you,
is
Papa.
Oh, you don't get the helmet. That's okay.
It's a back. It's not a back for you. It's something for you. Aha. There.
You deserve it. You deserve. No, him only need the envelope that him have.
Well, I see the name, so
Who is that?
I have 1 year to.
Use it. That's a spa treatment for baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my love.
Thank you, thank you, thank
You
you.
are coming with. Oh, there's one more gift for Mama.
This is one for Mama.
One for Mama.
Yeah, because I think she wanted to.
You think I wanted this?
Yeah, I think you always say that you want that, so I'll get you that.
Julie? I need this.
Give me anything, because you always want his earring, his bracelet,
Maybe
his,
it's bracelet or chain. It's only the bracelet or chain because I don't have any. I mean, any of. I think it's bracelet. What is it? It's bracelet?
No, it's chain.
It's chain? Now I can finally put my pendant back on. Yes, thanks, baby.
One more gift under the Christmas tree.
Another one for Papa.
Yeah. You know what it is?
Well,
Yes,
I
you wish
don't know
for.
yet, but I know the store.
No, you guys see why I had to wrap it because I know if he saw the bag, he would know.
That's
He-
what I did
He
too.
would know right away what it is.
I think store, they should not promote by bag what they want. They should just, woo!
And that. Finish now.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Just hope the size is good.
Want
Think
it to?
Yeah, think it's fine.
Good.
I think.
Now everybody got what they wish for, and everybody is
Happy!
You love your gift, Mama? Yes, you look like you love this one. She's so happy. Thank you, baby, for my roller skate. Oh my gosh.
Thank you for my ear.
Oh, you guys, hopefully you guys got what you wish for this Christmas because I got exactly what I wished for and then some. I was surprised about the second one, but I definitely wished for this one and I got it, so that's good.
Mama, you know which one I love?
Which one you love? Show me.
I love that one, that one, and that one.
Very good. So you need to call grandma later and tell her thank you, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Potato salad on its way. My curry goat is on its way. And my rice and peas will be on its way now. Boo, boo. Baked chicken, the sauce, potato salad, ham, sorrel, salad, Christmas cake, fruit cake, curry mutton, and rice and peas. Yes.
To catch is I want to catch your first moment. Let me pass you.
No!
Let me pass you.
Sensitive.
To catch that first moment. How you feel? Confident?
Confident that I'm gonna fall, yes!
Let's see if you can catch the door there.
Babe, bad idea for me to be on this tile. I need to be on the carpet. Why?
That's sliding.
Yes! I have to be on the brakes. Baby, you're wicked. You guys, I'm testing out my Christmas gift, but I have to be on brakes because this tile is no joke.
Come on, then.
Yeah, go back around this.
That's a fail.
Okay, I'm not gonna buy Corona.
That's a fail.
No, you have to learn.
Yeah, but it's hard to freaking learn. Come on, Mel. I'm cheering for you.
I'm walking on the brakes.
Oh yeah. You can do it.
Look what I did. That is the machine to make a sound outside the cold.
That's your friend Princess.
And every time it's getting hot, so
Hey guys, it's officially the end of the day. Whew. We had a blast today. We had a blast. Well, I have a blast, and I must say thank you 1,000 times to not Tyler, my wonderful wife. Oh, she make my day. Like, she cooked me. I had breakfast. I have a wonderful lunch. Everything that I love. She make sure that I rest when I wanted to rest. She gave me the best gift. Well, I had a wonderful day. If I wake up this morning and I just imagine how I wanted my day, I couldn't ask for a better day than today. So, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm happy you enjoyed.
So, Merry
This
Christmas.
Christmas is special.
Everybody, and yeah, that was the first Christmas, the four of us.
Oh yeah.
Everything
First
went
special
right.
Christmas.
We stay at home. We
just like
had
we wanted.
fun, and yes, I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas too.
I hope you all were on the nice way.
I hope you ate a lot. If you didn't, I hope you had fun. Maybe you were with the one you love, and yeah, every Christmas is different, and at the end of the day, what is important is just that you enjoy
And remember the reason for Christmas. Hope you guys take a minute to reflect on that too.
Anything you want to add?
No, I'm tired now. I just want to go and sit. Tyler is in bed. I got all the kids fresh, and now it's my time to just put my foot up
and relax. Yes, hopefully Sarah will go to bed. So.
She wants to sleep. She's very tired, but she's whiny a bit because, of course, she's teething. So
yeah, so we just have to go relax from today because it was a long day,
It was.
and it's only Wednesday. The week is not finished,
they
and
have to go
trust
to work
me,
Thursday and
this
Friday.
week will be long.
You
A lot of
guys will
surprise
see
gonna
why.
come. And
You
tomorrow I
guys
gotta
will
go
see
walk.
why. Anyway, you guys.
No Boxing Day in France. No Boxing Day in France. Gotta go walk.
Yeah.
Let's see what time I wake up.
What time you coming home tomorrow? What time you leaving work?
Let's see first what time I ritual. What about that?
Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Merry Christmas, and we will see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.